Proceeding further, we come to exercise 10.4. In this, we come to question number 2. And question 2, two vectors are given to you, vector A and vector B. Vector A is 3i plus 2j plus 2k. And vector B is I plus 2j minus 2k. What you have to find? You have to find a unit vector which is perpendicular to vector A plus B, and it is perpendicular to vector A minus B. Okay, so first of all, you find these vector and if possible give them name vector C and vector D. So vector C, it is vector A plus B. Add these two, you get 4i plus 4j and k vanishes. Vector D, this is vector A minus vector B. This is subtract 3 minus 1 gives you 2i, 2 vanishes plus 4k. In case of addition, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 2 4, and 2 plus of minus 2 cancels. In case of subtraction, 3 minus 1 gives you 2, 2 minus 2 vanishes, j part vanishes, and 2 minus of minus means plus 2 हो जाएगा, it will be 4k. So these are the two vectors. ठीक है, and we have given them the name C and D. Now in short, what you want? You want a unit vector which is perpendicular to vector C and vector D. Okay, you want a unit vector which is perpendicular to vector C and vector D. If C and D are two vectors, then the C cross D will be perpendicular to both. तो आप सबसे पहले C cross D find करो. Vector C cross vector D. This is equal to determinant I, J, K. 4, 4, 0, 2, 0, 4. First of all, find this. This gives you I cap. 4 4 is 16, means you get 16 I cap, minus j, 4 4 is 16, minus 16 j cap, plus k, 0, minus 8 k cap. Okay, find the determinant. I as it is, 4 4 is 16, you get 16, minus j, 4 4 is 16, and 2 into 0 0 हो गया, means minus 16 j, and when you take k, 4 into 0 0, minus 8, you get this as C cross D. Now this C cross D, it is perpendicular to both C as well as D. If I say these two fingers are representing C and D, these two fingers are representing C and D, so this will be C cross D. This will be C cross D. Okay, ये C cross D है. So in short, this vector is perpendicular to C as well as D. So we have to find unit vector in this direction. So first of all, you find this magnitude. This is under root of 16 square plus minus 16 square plus minus 8 square. This gives you under root 256 plus 256 plus 64. Okay, adding this gives you 256 and 256, 512 plus 64. This gives you 576. Now 576, it is square of 24. We know it. 576 is square root is 24. We know this. So mod of C cross T, this is 24. Let n cap be the unit vector along C cross T. Okay, this gives you n cap, this is equal to C cross T upon mod of C cross T. This gives you 16i minus 16j minus 8k upon 24. Okay, separate the terms. 16 by 24 divided by 8, you get 2 by 3 I cap minus 2 by 3 j cap minus 1 by 3 k cap. This turns out to be the unit vector which is perpendicular to both vector C and vector D. In short, perpendicular to both vector A plus B and vector A minus B. Okay, two vectors, vector A and vector B, are given to you. You have to find a unit vector which is perpendicular to vector A plus B and vector A minus B. Assign vector A plus B as vector C. Assign vector A minus B as vector D. Now you have to find the unit vector which is perpendicular to vector C as well as vector D. A vector which is perpendicular to C as well as D, it is C cross D. Find the vector C cross D, find the unit vector along C cross D, you will get your answer. Okay, please note it down.